Are you even having fun when you draw? I think that's probably like the most important thing to keep in mind when you're drawing, right? Like, especially like when you're drawing your own characters, drawing your own worlds and stuff. And here in the background, I'm drawing one of my characters, Aviana, sister of one of my other characters, Eris. You can see in my reference image on the side there. But yeah, like, are you having fun when you draw? Art can be sometimes very studious and you want to get better, so you're studying how to draw things and sketching things constantly, but at the same time it's important to remember to have fun. And that's why I draw characters, that's why I draw all these stories, that's why I even started drawing to begin with, right? Because it was fun. And I was always a person that loved drawing my own characters, so that's what I'm doing now. Ever since I was a kid, I draw characters. And so this video, I just wanted to encourage you just to start having fun again, explore new things, experiment, especially with digital art. It's so easy to experiment with new styles and try and find your own way of doing things. For me, I want to get better at painting and applying that to my line art and my drawing process overall. And so, yeah, instead of approaching drawing and creating artwork as like I don't know how to describe it, just like as a stressful environment, kind of a stressful kind of a thing. I got to get this perfect. I got to make it right for social media. Let's just like really like make sure we're having fun creating this stuff and drawing what we want to draw and not worrying too much about the outcome, whether or not people like it, right? It's like, do you like it? Do you like what you're creating? Do you like how you're improving? And that's like the foundation for this, right? For the whole creation process. Like, do you even like what you're drawing? Do you even like, are you like having fun in this process of drawing? Because yes, we want to draw what we want to draw. We want to have fun. But then there's also that side of like drawing for entertainment purposes and telling stories that entertain people. But I feel like if you're going to draw something, it might as well be something that you enjoy drawing, something that is fun for you to draw. And that way that it comes across when you're creating stories, when you're creating pieces to entertain people, right? Because drawing something that you might not like or don't enjoy, that same energy that you put into that will come across. So might as well just like have fun and really enjoy the process. In the background here, I wanted to experiment with doing line art first and then rendering it. And initially this was just supposed to be a practice session of doing line art, but I had an idea, and so you'll see here in a second that I actually started painting this piece and adding a background to it, and it just feel a little bit more interesting, not just a character standing in a blank space, but added a cool environment to the mix and just applying what I'm learning about painting environments and painting in general to my line art. I really want to get good at not only line art, but drawing or painting, adding painting to my line art drawings. And so this was like the perfect way to just experiment, like I said earlier, try stuff and figure it out if it works or not. And I think it worked. It's pretty cool. So if I was gonna make a list, like, how do you have fun in your drawings? Like, it's a problem if you're not having fun in the drawing process, right? Because then you don't even want to draw, you don't want to do anything. First thing you probably need to do is stop comparing yourself to other artists. It's definitely easy to do in this day and age of online social media. Just being able to access so much artwork online can be kind of a detriment to your own learning process. And just remember not to compare your artwork to someone else's. Nowadays, I like to look at other artists' artwork, but instead of like comparing my work in a negative way, I'll either look at artists I admire to use their work as inspiration for how good I can get eventually, and the level of artwork I can reach in my own work, right? So I'm not looking at other artists' work to compare my work in a negative way, like, oh, they're so much better than me. Instead, it's like, it's just a simple mindset shift. It's just like, they reach that level, I can too. Just that simple mindset change will really help you out. And instead of comparison, do that, and then also use other artists as inspiration for your work. Like, I really love how this artist does this, so I want to practice doing that myself and get better as well. But at the end of the day, just create what you enjoy creating, and keep going. Tell the stories you want to tell, and don't stop. I have this thought a lot, but it's like, I don't want to. I have so many stories in my head that I want to get out, and so I gotta be creating these stories. I don't really have time to worry about whether or not the artwork is good or not. It's just like, I want to create as much as possible, create as many stories as possible, and get out as many stories as I can from my head, my imagination, before I leave this earth, right? Before I die. So thank you for watching. That's the end of this video. I enjoyed creating this piece, and I hope that you enjoy it as well. Yeah, just have fun in your artwork. Keep creating. And if you would like to try the brushes that I use in this video, I'm going to update my brush pack to include the line art brush that I use, and also my other paintbrush that I'm starting to use. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Don't give up, keep drawing.